Have you ever noticed your steering wheel shaking? Or maybe your car pulling to one side? These could be warning signs of bad tie rods, an essential component of your steering system. Ignoring these signs can lead to serious safety hazards. In today's video, we'll break down the top 5 warning signs of bad tie rods, why they matter, and how you can fix them before it's too late. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what tie rods are and why they're so important. Tie rods connect your car's steering rack to the wheels, allowing you to turn smoothly and maintain control. Without them, steering would be impossible. Over time, these parts wear out due to constant use, rough road conditions, and exposure to the elements. When a tie rod goes bad, it can cause dangerous driving conditions, including poor steering response and uneven tire wear. So, what are the key warning signs of failing tie rods? Let's break them down. Sign number 1, steering wheel vibration. If you feel your steering wheel shaking, especially at high speeds or when hitting bumps, your tie rods may be loose or worn out. Since tie rods help keep your wheels connected to the steering system, any slack can cause your wheel to wobble, making it harder to control your car. If you experience this, don't ignore it. Have your vehicle inspected to ensure your tie rods are in good condition. Sign number 2, poor steering response. Have you ever turned your wheel only to feel like your car hesitates or feels loose? This can be a sign of worn tie rods. When tie rods start to fail, they develop extra play, making steering feel sloppy and less precise. This can be especially dangerous when making quick turns or driving at high speeds. If you notice a lack of control in your steering, get your tie rods checked immediately. Sign number 3, uneven tire wear. Your tires can tell you a lot about the health of your suspension and steering system. If the inside or outside edges of your tires are wearing faster than the rest, it could be a sign that your tie rods aren't holding the wheels in proper alignment. Misaligned wheels lead to premature tire wear, costing you money and reducing your car's stability. Checking your tires regularly can help you catch tie rod problems early before they cause bigger issues. Sign number 4, squeaking or clunking noises. If you hear strange noises when turning the steering wheel or going over bumps, your tie rods could be worn out. A loose tie rod can cause metal-on-metal contact, leading to these annoying sounds. If left unaddressed, this could lead to total tie rod failure, making your car unsafe to drive. Don't wait. Get it checked by a professional. Sign number 5, vehicle pulling to one side. If you find yourself constantly correcting your steering to keep your car straight, bad tie rods may be causing misalignment. Misaligned wheels don't just cause pulling. They also increase tire wear and reduce fuel efficiency. The good news? Replacing worn tie rods and getting a wheel alignment can restore proper steering control and improve your car's handling. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's crucial to address them as soon as possible. A professional mechanic can inspect your tie rods and replace them if needed. After replacing tie rods, a proper wheel alignment is essential to ensure your vehicle drives straight and safely. Regular maintenance keeps you safe on the road and extends the life of your car. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on car maintenance tips.